Hello traders, welcome to my video on the bull flag and bear flag chart patterns. These are very easy to spot on your charts and can help you catch some big moves, so make sure you follow this video to understand how you can integrate them into your trading strategy. You can use the flag patterns on any chart time frame, any currency pair, other trading instruments, Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, etc. Right, let's get to it. So first thing we want to do is look for a trend. Here we have a downtrend. And what we're going to do is look for an entry into this downtrend by a flag pattern. So there is one here which is perhaps too early. Simple as that. A flag. There you go. You have the flag pole downwards for the trend. You have the actual flag itself. I'll draw you a nice little line there just so you can visualize it better. Basically an upside down flag. And you enter on the breakout. And the breakout is here. As you can see, that's a good breakout candle and a good entry into this particular downtrend with a potential of over 80 odd pips. Okay, so that's a good trade based on the flag pattern there. This might have been too early into the trend for some traders. Not to worry, you could look at this flag pattern here. Again, same principle. You have your flagpole, which is basically the trend direction. You mark off your flag and then you trade the breakout there. Very simple and straightforward chart pattern. You can use the opposite side of the flag as the stop loss level. Yeah, and you'll find these in ranger markets as well. I tend to like to wait for a trend to form as there's more chance of the flag pattern being reliable, and also it can help you determine in which direction you're going to trade. As I said, there are bear flags like this one and also bull flags, which we'll look at in a minute. The good thing about this particular trade here is we were coming away from a nice level of resistance, which had held up well. And you can see we've got the price action moving downwards, bearish candlestick patterns. One thing I will say about the flag pattern is really you could have just done a support level there, which is one line which would have done more or less the same thing. Also, they're open to interpretation as well. So, if we can draw it differently each time. I mean, maybe some people would say that's the flag there. Others would draw it on more of an angle. Will you use the wicks? Will you use the candle bodies? Just make sure you use common sense. And that would be, for me, is trading in the direction of the trend and timing your entry nicely. And sensible money management. For example, have we taken this breakout here? We had our stop loss on the other side of the support come resistance here. So just around 10 pips. Plenty of opportunity for a good risk to reward ratio whilst locking in profits on the way down. Okay, so that's an example of a bear flag. Arguably we have one here as well. Again, open to interpretation. I'm going to interpret that as a bear flag, simply because we have our downwards trend, we have our consolidation, which is our flag, and then we have our breakout. Stop loss again on the other side here, and that would have been a nice move. Very straightforward, no fancy indicators, no complex calculations, just pure price action. This is a 1 hour chart in the dollar franc. You can find flag patterns on any chart time frame. I prefer the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily, weekly and monthly, simply because they contain more price action and thus patterns tend to be more reliable. And it also means less time chart watching. Good thing about the 1 hour charts is you get big players and institutions tend to watch them as well. So the levels, the trends and support and resistance can hold more weight. Okay, if we just look for a bull flag here, we can see nice level of support has formed. That's our first indication that price is going to move upwards. And we have higher lows here. Okay, we're starting to see an uptrend forming. Good opportunity to look for a bull flag. And there we go. Have you spotted it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. There's my flag. I'm flying my flag, my red and green flag. I'm flying it proudly. And we trade the breakout here. consolidation zone there. Doesn't look like much on the 1 hour chart. If you go down to the 5 minute, 50 minute, you see that this will be, fill up a whole chart space here of consolidation. And then we trade the breakout, and that with the stop loss on the other side, just 5 pips, 5 to 10 pips for a trade that's gone over 50. Not bad at all for such an easy trading strategy. This video is the bear versus the bull flag. Really, the difference is obvious. It's in the name. You're going to look for bear flags in a downtrend and bull flags in an uptrend. Personally, I'm not going to trade them in ranges. Just I'm going to wait for a breakout. Yeah, it's a very powerful chart pattern once you know what you're looking for. Again, just to reiterate, open to interpretation. Some traders maybe would have marked this. Principle's the same. Wait for support. We have a support. That's quite a strong support level as well. In fact, that's a triple bottom candlestick pattern. I'll get onto that in a minute. Do have a video on that as well. But trend is up. And there's our flag. Okay? Easy as that. It looks like a flag. That's why it's called the flag pattern. Simple. Okay? Breakout there. Stop loss here. Maybe not the best trade to take, but certainly not the worst. With good money management, you'd lock in your trade at break even at least. Maybe take some profit around here and see how it plays out. At the worst, get taken out for your break even. Good money management is important. As I was saying, the triple bottom pattern here, basically triple bottom is when the support level has been tested at least 3 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple times here. With a triple bottom, you draw resistance. It's known as the neckline. I'd personally be drawing that here. Some may argue it should be here, but either way, this one still a triple bottom here. As I said, 1, 2, 3. So the support has been tested 3 times. Then we're going to wait for a breakout to the upside. Here, have a spinning top, another sort of a shooting star, hammer, some bullish candlestick price action down there, which suggests the market will move upwards as it does. You can enter on the breakout here of the triple bottom candlestick pattern, or even here. And then, if you prefer, let the trend play out, wait for the pullback, and the flag pattern gives us a nice entry there as well. Yeah, that's it. So basically, flag patterns are effectively breakout of support and resistance, either in an uptrend or a downtrend. I mean, the hardest part really, in my opinion, is just spotting the trend and drawing the lines carefully. As I said, they're open to interpretation, but with plenty of practice, you will get there eventually. Yeah, so anyway, hopefully you found something useful in this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Catch you on the next one.